Dealing with a cough can be bothersome, but several home remedies offer natural relief. Honey, renowned for its soothing properties, can be mixed with warm water or herbal tea to ease a sore throat and suppress coughing. Another age-old remedy is ginger, which can be consumed in tea to reduce inflammation and alleviate cough symptoms. Adding a pinch of salt to warm water to gargle helps moisten the throat and reduce irritation. Additionally, inhaling steam with a few drops of eucalyptus oil can loosen mucus and ease congestion. Staying hydrated is crucial, so ensure you drink plenty of water throughout the day. These remedies can provide comfort and may help reduce the severity of a cough, enhancing recovery. Without the immediate need for medication, not intended to be medical advice, please consult your doctor if you have any questions.